And in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M51, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and select the settings. Now locate and open voicemail, and here click on notifications. Here you will notice sound, so just click on it, and now let me show you all of the options that you have here. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply, go back, and that's it. As you can see, it has been set up, so that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.